Top 10 Most Famous Ghost Pictures Ever Taken. Number 10. Lord Combermere Ghost. This photograph of the library in Combermere Abbey was taken by Sibel Corbett in 1891. The figure of a man can faintly be seen sitting in the chair on the left. His head, collar and right arm on the armrest can be clearly made out. This is reputed to be the ghost of Lord Combermere. The second Viscount Lord Combermere died in 1891, after being struck by one of London's first motor cabs which was electrically powered. While Sibel Corbett was taking the above photograph, Lord Combermere's funeral was taking place over 4 miles away. Number 9. Toys R Us Ghost. This infrared photograph was taken during a paranormal investigation at a Toys R Us in Sunnyvale, California. The man leaning against the shelves in the background was not seen with the naked eye. Other shots taken at the same time with high-speed film showed no trace of him. Number 8. The Hidden Cowboy. In 1996, Ike Clanton, dressed in cowboy attire, had his friend photograph him while he stood in Booth Hill Graveyard in the famous Tombstone, Arizona. After reviewing the photograph, Clanton noticed a man in the background of the photo that was not there when the photograph was taken. Clanton was intrigued by this and set out to recreate the photo with a friend standing in the background and discovered it was impossible to recreate the picture without having the legs visible. This photograph remains a mystery to this day. Number 7. Young Girl at the Window. Photographed by Tony O'Reilly at Wem Town Hall in Shropshire, England while it was on fire. There was no one in the building at the time, yet this photo shows a young girl peering out. The photo was examined by Dr. Vernon Harrison, the former president of the Royal Photographic Society. Harrison deemed that the photo had not been tampered with and was therefore genuine. In 1677, a young girl named Jane Churn accidentally set fire to a thatched roof with a candle, setting off a blaze that burned down many of the town's old timber houses. Several people believe that her ghost has haunted the area ever since, and witnesses claim to have seen her on a few occasions over the years. It is generally believed that this ghost is her. Number 6. Corroboree Rock Spirit. Taken by Reverend R.S. Blance at Corroboree Rock, at Alice Springs, Northern Territory, Australia in 1959. This famous photograph appears to show a woman holding her hands toward her face, peering out into the distance. Number 5. The Madonna of Bachelor's Grove. Taken on August 10, 1991 during a paranormal investigation by the Ghost Research Society of Bachelor's Grove Cemetery, which is near a suburb of Midlothian, Illinois. Number 4. Freddie Jackson. A squadron of the Royal Air Force assembled to take a mundane photograph, but after the picture was developed the squad quickly realized that this was no ordinary picture. Standing behind one of his mates was the 2 days deceased Freddie Jackson. Jackson was a mechanic for the Royal Air Force and served on board the HMS Daedalus. He had been working when he was killed in a freak accident by an airplane propeller, but Jackson did not let his death get in the way of him showing up on time for the group photo 2 days later. Several of the other men in the photo confirmed that it was in fact Jackson's face in the background of the picture. Number 3. Backseat Driver. This famous ghost photograph was taken in 1959 by Mabel Chinnery. After visiting the grave of her mother, Mabel turned and took a picture of her husband, who was waiting for her in the car. What Mabel didn't expect was her mother coming along for the ride. Number 2. Tulip Staircase Ghost. Taken in 1966 by Reverend Ralph Hardy in the Queen's House section of the National Maritime Museum in Greenwich, England. Hardy, a retired clergyman, intended only to take a picture of the impressive tulip staircase but also captured this apparition of a robed figure ascending the stairs. The original negative was examined by experts, including some from Kodak, who deemed that the photo had not been tampered with. People have reported seeing unexplained figures and the sound of footsteps in the same vicinity for years prior to and after this picture was taken. Number 1. The Brown Lady. The Brown Lady of Rainham Hall, reportedly haunts the Great House in Norfolk, England. This is of the country's most famous hauntings, primarily due to the captured image of the Brown Lady on the staircase. The photograph, which would become one of the most famous paranormal photographs of all time, was taken by photographers from the Country Life magazine that was at Rainham Hall photographing the staircase.